It's arguable as to which part of the house is most important, but for us at Albion Roofing Services, there's one part which is literally above all others. Without a roof in perfect condition, all sorts of problems can occur, and that's where we come in. Serving customers in Glasgow, Paisley and the surrounding area, as well as being able to build a roof of the highest quality from scratch, no matter what type of roof it is, we can take care of it. Whether it's been damaged in a storm, if you have a problem with your fascias or soffits, guttering problems, slate replacement, anything at all, Albion Roofing Services get the job done. It's also important to be ahead of the game, and with Albion, we can undertake the maintenance work necessary to ensure that your roof is in full working order. With years of experience and all work guaranteed, make it Albion Roofing Services for all your roofing needs. Call now for a no-obligation chat or to book a free quotation. Albion Roofing Services. When it comes to roofing, we're on top.